If you've been wondering how to change text in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to edit text inside shapes, text boxes, and connector lines, plus how to change the font, size, color, and alignment so your diagram looks clean and professional. This is a super useful skill whether you're updating a flowchart, fixing a process map, or just polishing a diagram for school, work, or a client presentation. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the object with the text you want to change. If it's a shape, the fastest way to edit it is to double-click the shape. You can also click it once and press enter to enter text editing mode. Once you're inside the shape, you'll see the text cursor appear, and now you can start editing immediately. If you're working with a text box, just double-click directly on the text box itself. That will let you place the cursor right where you need it so you can begin changing the wording. And if you're trying to add or edit text on a line or connector, double-click the connector line. Lucidchart will create a label for that line, and then you can type your text there. This is really helpful if you're labeling relationships, steps, or connections in a diagram. Once you're in editing mode, the next step is selecting the text you want to change. If you only want to replace part of the text, click and drag your cursor over the specific words you want to edit. That highlights only the section you want to update. If you want to change everything inside the object, use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the text at once. This is the quickest method when you want to completely rewrite the label or description. After the text is selected, simply start typing. Lucidchart will overwrite the highlighted text with whatever you enter, so you don't need to delete it first. This makes editing very fast and easy, especially when you're making multiple small changes across a diagram. Now let's talk about formatting, because changing text in Lucidchart isn't just about replacing words. You can also style your text to make it more readable and visually consistent. At the top of the workspace, you'll see the text formatting bar. From there, you can change the font by opening the font drop-down and choosing a different typeface. You can also adjust the font size by clicking the size menu or typing in a specific number and pressing enter. If you want the text to stand out more, click the capital A icon to open the color palette and choose a new text color. You can also change alignment using the alignment tools, letting you position the text left, center, or right depending on what looks best in your diagram. And if you want to format text quickly, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+ for bold, Ctrl+I for italics, and Ctrl+U for underline. These shortcuts are great when you want to work faster without constantly moving between menus. A good tip is to keep your text consistent across the whole document. Use the same font style, size, and alignment wherever possible so your Lucidchart diagram looks more professional and easier to read. If you're updating a large diagram, it helps to zoom in and make one section at a time so you don't miss anything. And if you ever make a mistake, you can always undo the change and try again. So to recap, changing text in Lucidchart is simple. Enter text editing mode, select the words you want to replace, type your new text, and then format it using the toolbar or shortcuts. That's it. You now know how to change text in Lucidchart the fast and easy way. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more step-by-step tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.